Hey guys, so Lockhart and we are back again for another Jeep unboxing. Lockhart, you ready? Are you ready? You ready? Okay. So today we got a package. It came from Lockhart. What's in here? What's in here? What's in here? We got a package from Nike Chicago. So we want to thank, before we even open it, thank you so much for thinking about me and sending this package to us. We cannot wait to open it. Before I get into the box, before we get into the box, if you all can make sure you subscribe and hit the like and comment below, it would be great to get some feedback from you all. Lockhart, come here. It'd be great to get some feedback from you all on this video and other ones. Lockhart and I did our first unboxing with Nike and Puma. So if you have not check out that video. It was the one that we did right before this one. And now we are doing our second unboxing video. So Lockhart, come here. Let's check it out. Let's open it up. Good boy. Good boy. Don't fall. Here. Here. Oh, what do we have? Oh, ready? What's in there? What's in there? So, we're opening it up together. And I think we have shoes, it's safe to say, and a card. Ooh, Lockhart, are you okay? He's okay. Here, let's move this box. So, we have a card, and I don't know if I should read this later. I'm going to just preview it first, just in case it's really, it's personal. Aw, okay. So it says, Akisha, we see what you're doing. Awesome job. Keep it up. XO, your Nike family. Look at that. That is so sweet. This is so sweet. So thank you very much, Nike Chicago. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you, Nike, so much for that. So thank you for this. Brooke, thank you so, so much. Thank you. So I'll put that there. Oop. You okay? Okay, so now I hope you guys can see. Hey. Ow, 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 ow. You see our shoes, Lockhart? Lockhart, look. Look at our shoes. Look at what we're going to be running and walking in. What I'm going to be running and walking you in. Are you see them? You see them? Yeah. You like them? You like them too? So these are my shoes that Nike sent. Are you okay? You cool? So I love them. These are so different than anything I had. I talked about in my last in our previous video that we did, that Lockhart and I just did our unboxing, and I was talking about how I really, really, really love the fact that when Nike gives me shoes, they a lot of times are shoes that I would not just get on my own. And so I think it's really, really cool, and it's really nice to have, just something different. So I like them. I am a fan of the brand of shoe, which is and I'm going to just check. I think I saw it on here. The Metcon. I'm a fan, and I thought that's what I saw, but I just wanted to verify that. So I am a fan. I've run in them before. I don't know if necessarily I have to run. Well, I guess you don't have to actually do anything, but I don't know if I'm going to run in these or not, or if I'm just going to save them just to wear, just casually out. But either way, these are really nice shoes, and I really appreciate the thoughtfulness. I'm gonna get out the other one because I just want to check, because sometimes I know like the styles, they can be the same shoe, but just like little small variation in the shoe. So this is the colorway. We have like this baby blue, kind of blue, this brighter color. Lockhart, do you like them? Are you checking them out? And black. So you have a lime color, and then the bottom you have the check, which is, I don't know if this is like an orange or a pink. You want to get on the box? What are you doing? What are you doing? So yeah, they are lightweight, and I'm not exactly sure what this is right here, but I'm gonna check that out. So investigate a little bit more. But these are nice. I like them. They're different. And I just appreciate the fact that you guys, that Nike thinks about me and does sweet things like this, because everybody's been going through it with the pandemic and just trying to still like have some normalcy at a time where nothing is normal. So we, Lockhart and I, we appreciate it. If you all want to check out, which is the cutest thing ever, you want to check out Lockhart's reaction to us receiving the box earlier today, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at She's Got a Show to check that video out, and other cute videos of him and other things that I have going on. I'm so excited to get my talk show back up and running and get a new season started. I cannot wait to share that with you all. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Comment below. Let me know what you think about the shoes. And I'll have more information in the details section. But as always, I really, really appreciate you all. I will let you all know, like I've been letting you know about the other pair of shoes that Nike gave me, gifted me. I've been letting you all know about it on my Instagram, how many miles I've logged in them so far, and just other things about them. So make sure, again, you follow me at She's Got a Show on Instagram. And thank you all so much again for joining, subscribing, commenting, and liking this video and all the rest of them. We appreciate you. Right, Lockhart? Right? We appreciate them. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.